Have you ever thought of creating YouTube videos without showing your face? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the latest trends in faceless YouTube videos and how AI is making it easier than ever. With the rise of AI video generators like Fliki AI, content creation has taken a new turn. Fliki AI lets you produce high-quality videos without ever stepping in front of the camera. It's perfect for those who are camera shy or prefer privacy. Many YouTubers are now successfully growing channels with voiceovers and AI-generated visuals. The demand for faceless content is soaring due to its accessibility and ease. Can you imagine creating viral videos without the usual stress? Explore these new tools and step into the future of content creation. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more insights on Faceless AI Video Generators. This complete video is generated by using Fliki AI.